Right, so in this video, I'm going to review this Comica professional audio equipment. I've been hearing about it a lot, and I wanted to give you. I just ordered it, just got it from Amazon, and just before I unbox it, I just wanted to do a video so that you can see what you can expect in the box, what are the key features, what comes along with the box, and then we will do a demo where I would show you how the sound quality makes difference when I use it without any microphone attached to it, and then when I attach this particular micro directional shotgun microphone, which is CVM VM10. I'll put in the link of this microphone where you can buy it from Amazon into the description. If you this comic this brand also comes provides you a lot of other equipments, basically recording or video equipments like selfie sticks, like tripods, and this one is of course a microphone, and there are a lot of other variants as well. So this one, as it says, it's around 150 200 grams, not that heavy. That's a whole packaging. This particular microphone of course would be around 30 grams, so it's quite light in terms of carrying it. It supports smartphones, both Android and iOS, and this is also for camcorders and DSLR cameras. All right. In terms of the features, you can attach it with smartphone cameras and smartphones and DSLR cameras, shock absorbing because of this particular equipment that it comes along. I'll show you that, and then super interference. I'll show you along with the demo, and then the metal quality. It comes red in color and black as well. Right, so in terms of what you can expect in the box, this is the mic body along with the shock absorbing part. So it gives you some shock absorbent. Then it comes along with the microphone windscreen, a muff if it is too windy. You can use that as well. Then this is a more important one. It comes with a audio cable that can be used with smartphones that have 3.5 jack at both ends. It can be extended. You can see the extension part here. I'll show you in detail later in the video, but can be used as converter if you want to use it on iPhones or any other phones that do not use 3.5 jack. It also comes with another audio cable which can be used with camcorders and digital cameras. Right, okay. It is all assembled in China, as do the most of the products, similar products. It says in here assembled in China, but I ordered it through Amazon in UK and came next day. So I ordered yesterday, I just got it now today. So let me quickly unbox it. So when you do that and you open it, okay, take me out. So first looks of it, when you open it, this is how it would be. Okay, right here. Right, okay, so it comes with some paperwork. This of course is a user manual. Let me see how much of English is it in that. So this page is completely Chinese, not good for me, but if you see the reverse side of it, this is all English. Right, okay, so this is a micro compact directional condenser shotgun video microphone, long, I would say, title. Then a notice of how you can use it, what it is compatible to. So it is compatible to iPhone 7 and above. You can use comes with an original adapter cable. Then for iOS can be used, you can use converters. For some phones you would need a third-party video app as well if it doesn't work automatically with your smartphone. So there's a disclaimer in here, very important. Keep it in a dry environment and blah blah blah. So these are a list of things that are in the box: microphone body, mic shock absorber stand, mic wind muff which I just showed, mic windscreen, and also smartphone audio cable along with the cable for DSLR. Specifications: 34 grams 21 mm by 85 mm dimension. Then in terms of sensitivity, you can see the decibel range. You can also see its side dynamic range is 100 decibel. Anyways, so not going into that much detail how to use it. It shows you can connect it this way to your smartphone. Yeah, it's in here. Yeah, and installation, how do you install it on DSLR or on, this is how it should look. I'll show you that as well. All right, so this is the installation user manual. This is the warranty card. No, this is not the warranty card, it's just a notice. This is just a notice of how to use it. Best used on flight mode, converters to be attached, blah blah blah. Yeah, we just covered that. Then this is a dealer, this authorized dealer of Comica, whoever has sent me. You can see in here professional audio equipment. Dear, so it's the word of saying thank you for the purchaser and contact details. Right, and this is the warranty card. Yeah, if you want to use the warranty. I'm not sure how long the warranty was, but I can put in the link. It doesn't say here as well. I don't think it says 12 months here, so it's a 12-month warranty. Free repair is based on the real fault, not caused by personal damage. So there's a disclaimer in there as well. Okay, fine. So let me now come to the more important part, how to unlock it. So yeah, so this is how it is. I'll just take it out. So this is the main part. It comes assembled. That's surprising. I thought this windscreen would be separate, this stand would be separate, but can be separated quite easily. So yeah, it can be. Yeah, so I can take it out. Shock absorbent, yeah, you can see it's more important. Then this windscreen can be taken out easily, can be replaced by this muff. It can't go within that, so you have to take out the windscreen first, and then you can use it with foot muff in here. All right, I'll leave it here. I'll leave it here as well. I'll keep this in background. All right, okay, yeah, here, yeah, okay. So this cable, it says clearly that this should be used for microphone or for the smartphone. This end goes into smartphone because if you can see there's a symbol here, you can easily see that. Extension is quite good, yeah, very good. And then this part goes into your microphone. So you can see it here. It can be installed on tripods or selfie sticks if it allows it. There are threads here. This is quite light. It's at 35 grams. I think it's roughly about that, 50 grams. So it goes in here. It makes a sound when you that goes in, and this end would go into smartphone. If I would have used this cable, so this one clearly says for camcorder. So, and this part will go again back in the same here. Yeah, okay. Wind muff, we've just covered it. And then some cherry castle if there is, okay, while being transported, if there is some moisture, it will absorb it to prevent the equipment. Yeah, right, okay. So next part of it, what I will do is I will do a quick demo. So at the moment, just keep in mind that I haven't used any equipment at the moment, so you're hearing it on smartphone as is. Now I'll attach this to my smartphone and you should be able to see some difference. Let me know in the comment section if the difference is really good and if you prefer buying this equipment. I think at the moment I'm inside a room, there is no wind, no disturbance. That's why you won't really find huge difference. But if you are in outside in open with traffic and all, the wind and rains and all, I think this microphone really makes a huge difference. In terms of quality, I can see the quality is really good. Yes, it won't tear apart. Yeah, clearly says the name in here and the model here, CVM-VM10II. Yeah, okay. And then this can be taken out, and it's quite I mean, I would say the good thing is very small, quite compact, lightweight, easy to travel with. Yeah, okay, let me do a demo now, and I'll end that my video there. If you have any questions, put in your questions in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond to them. Subscribe to my channel, like my comments like as always, and let me now attach it this part to my smartphone and show you the difference, how it feels. Yeah, okay, let me do it now. It has just gone in. Okay, so you right, I've just attached the microphone to the smartphone now, and there should be a good difference between the voice quality earlier and then now. Tell me, I mean, how is it different? Is it much better? Do you prefer this one in the comment section? And let me know your thoughts about this micro directional shotgun microphone CVM-VM10 from Comica. They come along with a lot of other equipments. As I said earlier, I'll put in the comment in the links in the description. You can buy it from there, and they come with selfie sticks, which works with Bluetooth and other stuff like tripod stands as well. Mainly video recording equipments. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Bye bye.